Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourself and your family. So guys, this video is specifically for the people who are already here in Canada. As you all know, the major expenses that we face every month to month are basically the rent or the mortgages for your home, and second is your car if you own one, your car lease or your finance, or the insurance cost. And many of the insurance companies are giving discounts as well. And in this situation of pandemic, many of the companies are helping their customers to reduce the insurance premiums. Also, there's a news specifically from Ontario. Ontario is making a regulatory change that will more easily allow auto insurance companies to provide breaks to their customers because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The change will allow insurance companies to provide auto insurance premium rebates to customers for up to 12 months after the emergency has ended. Finance Minister Rod Phillips says that he will be watching to see companies' response. This is a news specifically which came from Ontario, but we have seen that for different provinces like British Columbia and Quebec, there has been reduction in the insurance cost. Already it's in news that Allstate Insurance Company of Canada is giving all of its drivers a stay-at-home payment of about 25% of their monthly auto premium. CAA Insurance has also said that a 10% reduction for a year for both new and existing customers once they renew will be automatically applied. Intact Financial Corp and Aviva are offering discounts of 15% for customers who are driving less and reductions of 75% for customers who park and store their vehicles. Most companies are also offering to defer payments for customers in financial difficulty and waive non-sufficient fund fees. So guys, I was discussing this news with two of my friends and got to know that they have got some reduction in their insurance premium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call one by one. First I will call Shashank, he's in Quebec province, and second I'm going to call Gorang. He's in GTA, lives in Brampton, and he also got some of the discount in his insurance premium. Let's call them and see how they got discount in their insurance premium, and maybe we also can try. If you are the one who owns a car and you don't want to give the 100% of the insurance cost every month, you can also try these tips and get benefits out of it. So guys, I'm going to call one of my friend Shashank, who is in Quebec, and he also got some of the reduction in his car insurance. I'm going to quickly call him and see what is the reduction he got, and maybe he can give us some tips on how we can get this reduction as well. So let me quickly give him a call. Let's see. Hey, hi Shashank.
Hello Nick.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. So Shashank, we are making a quick video on how people can get some of the discounts in insurance, because right now not many people are driving and going to their offices or the other trips, the summer trips which usually people have every year, and this time because of the COVID situation all cars are outside the garage and driveway. So Shashank, I got to know that you also got some reduction in your insurance cost. Tell me something about that.
Yes, so as you all have read online that the car insurance providers are giving some kind of rebate,
Yeah.
because of the situation. So I called my insurance provider, one of the leading ones in Canada. So what they said is I don't have to specifically enroll for this.
Okay.
So I should be getting a check in the next few days, 25% of what I pay monthly.
Okay, so you don't have to literally go and enroll in some, like different policy or get anything extra, like?
Nothing of that sort. So it's by default for anyone who's enrolled with that insurance provider.
Okay, okay.
They'll be sending 25% of the amount.
So have they told you, is it going to be for 2 months, 3 months, or what time period? Have they told you anything about it?
So the time period they haven't mentioned. So I'm assuming as long as this lockdown period goes on, they might be providing us the amount for those many months.
Okay. So guys, for Shashank, he doesn't have to go and enroll into any of the special packages from the insurance provider. They by default. So Shashank, I talked to one of my friend. He actually got in touch with his insurance provider, and they said that if your kilometers are reduced, because when we get the insurance policy, they ask us, how much distance you'll be traveling per year and stuff like that. But he said that, it's very minimalistic, like about 100 kilometers per week or something like that, because he has to go is all groceries, and that also, you know, not 100 kilometers in all. But they said, you know, the price difference is very minimal. So I think for your insurance provider, it's pretty different that they are giving a discount to all their subscription members. That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it going anyways? How's the situation in Quebec though?
Well, the situation in Quebec, I mean, as you know, that there are most number of cases from Quebec.
Yeah.
And so it's under control is what I assume, because I haven't heard of new cases increase on a daily basis.
Yeah.
But otherwise, rest of the things are all same.
Is the grocery stores and all essential services are still working right now? They are in place?
Yeah, they're all in place, like Walmart and other Indian stores. They're all in place.
Okay.
But there's some. All of these are not working at the same for the same times. Like earlier, it used to be open until 8 p.m.
Of course, they've made change in timings.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you see the social distancing, like those marks are in place whenever you go for Walmart, right?
Yeah, like I visited a bank also like a couple of days back. So even in the bank, they were maintaining this social distancing. They were pointers made out on the floors.
Yeah.
And not allowing more than 5 people at once in.
Yeah. So, yeah. It's just changed the way we live everyday life, right?
Yeah, just giving us a warning.
Yeah.
We don't take care.
Anyways, thank you so much, Shashank, for your time and sharing the inputs. And maybe this tip will helpful for different people who are there in Quebec, who are watching this video from Quebec, or even who are in Ontario, and maybe companies are giving discount and they don't know about it. Or they can call the customer care if they are getting any discount from their insurance provider. Thanks again for your time, Shashank. Sorry, you were about to say something?
No, yeah, I was just going to say that not all insurance providers probably are working the same way.
Yeah.
So it's always good to just give them a call and know if you have to do anything to gain this reduction, or if it is done by default. So it's always good to call them.
Because I don't think many people are driving nowadays so much as they were doing in their normal life, and what they have to do is just go for a grocery once a week, which doesn't make sense to pay for the full insurance, right?
Yeah. That's right.
All right. Thanks once again, Shashank.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good night. Definitely. All right.
All right.
Bye-bye. So guys, this was my friend Shashank. He said for his case, insurance providers are doing the reduction for everyone. And that is one of the cases. Like, they are not asking if there's a kilometer reduction for you, or you know, if you have a different specific case. They are doing the discount, the 25% discount for all of its members. That's really nice, and I hope, and I fingers crossed, I hope it will be with other insurance companies as well. Let me talk to one of my friend who is here in Brampton in GTA, and let me ask him how he got this discount. I hope people are not having dinner and I'm disturbing them. Hi Gaurang!
Hello.
Hi Gaurang, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for calling me, sir. What is happening?
बस घर का खाना.
Alright. So Gaurang, I'm making a quick video for our YouTube audience that how they can get a reduction in their insurance cost. And I got to know you are based in Brampton and you also got some reduction in your insurance cost, right?
Right.
So please tell us something about it, that how it happened. Did you call them or they informed you that they are going to reduce the cost? How it happened actually?
Actually, I've heard this news from somebody. Some of my friend has informed me regarding this thing, that the Ontario minister has given some directions to the insurance providers to give some kind of rebate to their clients. So that is how I came to know, and I've called and confirmed with my insurance agent. So they said that, yeah, up to 25% discount I can avail.
25%?
Yeah, up to 25% discount you can avail.
Okay.
So finally, after talking to my agent, I've called to the insurance provider on the customer care center. So they had my driving history because at the time of taking the insurance, they have told me to download the app. So through that application, they keep on checking your driving records, how you're maintaining your car and driving habits. So after consideration, they have given me 25%, almost 25%, 30% discount they have given me. So earlier I used to pay somewhere around $408, and after the discount, I got around $60 discount from that amount.
That's so nice. And of course, you're not driving that much nowadays, right? You're not going to work every day, and
Oh yes. Actually, they have asked me specifically that what would be your mileage per month or per year. So I have told them that since I'm not working and I'm laid off for some weeks or for some month, so roughly I've told them that I'll be driving somewhere around 5,000 kilometers per year.
Okay.
Earlier I told them that I'm gonna drive 20,000 kilometers per year. So this time I've converted that thing to 5,000 kilometers per year.
Okay.
So
did they tell you that? Sorry, please go ahead.
No, please carry on.
So I was saying, did they tell you like how many months they are going to reduce that price, or?
Yes, this is for 3 months.
3 months only. So it's gonna be for April, May, and June.
It will start from next month. So I have actually I pay my insurance on 16th of every month.
Okay.
So it will be applicable in my case it will be applicable from next month.
From next month.
So from May I will start getting the discount. So May, June, and July, 3 months.
Okay. That's so nice, right? Else it would have been going in vain, right? The insurance cost is of course one of the top main expenses we have after our rent and after our lease and finance of car, right?
True, especially in my area where I'm living. I'm staying in Brampton, so the insurance cost is highest over here.
Yeah, so Brampton is very, very famous for that.
So it's a big relief, I would say, for us. Yeah.
So Garang, any tips that you would like to give our YouTube audience and the people who are watching, especially from Ontario, that how they can reduce their insurance costs?
Well, I would suggest them to call their insurance provider, talk to them, try to convince them. They can offer you some discount, because it's our duty to tell them that this is a tough time, especially for those people who have been laid off from their work. And in my case, I'm also laid off from my work, so I don't know when my boss will call me again. So it's important for them, for everyone, to just try and ask for the discount. And right now, I have seen many people, including some of my friends, they are also getting the discount. Even I got the discount. So try to spend some time with them, try to negotiate, try to convince them to take as much as possible discount. Cool. Because they are giving discount.
They are giving discount, and why not to take this opportunity, right?
Of course. At least for a few months.
Yeah.
Just like I got it for 3 months, they can also get it for 3 months, right?
Right. All right, Garang, thank you so much for sharing the information. Hope the situation becomes normal very soon, and it becomes, the way it was before, everyone employed, everyone going out the way we were before.
True. But I'm also waiting for the same time.
But how's the situation in Brampton like? Are the grocery shops open? All the essential services are open?
Yes, we usually go to Walmart and No Frills, so yeah, they are operational right now.
And do they have that social distancing, like marks are there in place, you have to stand on the red lines, something like that?
Yeah, people are following the guidelines, and I have seen people are trying to avoid going out from their houses.
But it's really boring, right?
I'm sorry?
It's really boring, right? Just being in house all the time and all the days.
Yes, it is, but we have to, be inside. We don't have any other option if we want to save our kids and ourselves. So
of course.
it's very important to be in house for some time, at least.
All right, Gaurang, thank you so much for coming here and sharing your views. Really appreciate your help.
Thanks for having me.
All right.
On your channel.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, this is Gaurang. He shared his experience how he got reduction in the insurance price, and I think that we should call our insurance providers and try to negotiate just like Gaurang said. I think not all companies are as nice as Shashank's is, that they are giving the the checks of the discount for every customers they have. But what we can try to do is, if the situation is not good and we are not driving it, we are not using it, we can try to ask them that if they can give some reduction. Of course, even if you are going once a time in a week for grocery, you can't literally get rid of your insurance. You still need it, that's for sure, but you need to pay in full? I don't think so. So guys, this is all for this video. Except of sharing the information this time, I wanted to invite some of the people to come and share their personal experience with you guys, so that it can help you and give you more insight on how to go ahead with the things. So I hope you will like this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. This really encourages us to make more such videos, more informative videos for you guys. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a good one.